Nearly a week ago, when a tornado ripped through Grove City, causing power outages for thousands of customers and damages that are still clearly visible. NBC4's Elise Changari is live where that tornado hit, and she sat down with a family grateful to be alive today. Elise?
Ellie, you can see that a lot of cleanup still needs to be done here in Grove City. This garage completely ripped up from the ground, debris still laying everywhere. We spoke with the homeowner right here. He tells us that he's hearing impaired, and if it wasn't for his hearing aids, he would have never heard that tornado headed directly towards his home.
Then I could hear a really strange noise, and so I went outside to see what that noise was, and when I walked out on the porch, I looked down the street and the tornado was heading right down the street at us.
A high-pitched noise Bob heard with his hearing aids, but his wife did not hear.
I said, I only hear the sirens. And he said, well, I hear something else. And I said, I don't hear anything, honey. And that's when he went out on the front porch to see what was going on.
You know, I ran back in the house real fast, and I yelled at her, and I told her to run in the spare bedroom and get on the closet floor, and then I was right behind her, and then I kind of jumped on top of her. You could hear like the house getting ripped apart up above us, and within seconds it was dead silent. I mean, nothing.
They stayed in the closet, and minutes later
and looked out the back, and the one guy that lives right behind us place got almost totally destroyed.
Then they went outside and looked around, saw parts of their roof ripped off along with the chimney. The garage door caved in on their cars, windows smashed. Both of them were not physically hurt and say the rest can be fixed, but they still relive that day.
The noises and stuff I heard, you know, and seeing all the debris flying around, and, you know, almost have nightmares about it.
Just very grateful. Yes, we have a lot of damage, but we're very lucky at the same time.
The two of them say they will pay closer attention to those sirens. They said even though they heard them and they were watching those updates on TV, they said it's important to come up with a plan and be prepared when you do hear those sirens in case it turns out to be a storm just like this. Local for you in Grove City, Elise Changari, NBC4.